Obviously, I don't want anybody contacting me. You can contact me officially, or if you need to speak to the judge, the judge's door is always ajar or will be available, but come with the other counsel. Does that help?
Yes, Chair.
Yeah. Are there any other issues in terms of courtroom etiquette that we need to talk about? If anything comes to mind, we can always go back. Media arrangements, we have the media, and we had a meeting with them and they know what our requirements are. They have the media guidelines. We expect you to stick to them. We now have a virtual link, so all this is set out, it's all ready. I don't think I need to say much about that, other than that misreporting is not normally taken kindly by the court. So if instances of that sort of thing occur, whether or not there's a complaint, the court has the power to eject or to discontinue your admission into the courtroom. Good. Can we look at the pleadings now? Petitioner, you have filed your pleadings, and I think, where is the original bundle? Is it there? You filed pleadings, and you also gave us a bound copy of the pleadings. The majority, the size of this bundle is exaggerated by the register, correct?
Yes, my lord.
So that without the register, there's much less to look at.
Yes, my lord.
And I think nobody else needs to file the register unless IBC, if you're able to go through the register and you find it's incorrect, or it's not a correct representation of what you call your register, then you let us know. Is that okay? But this is the pleading that we have received. What they have done is they have printed out some of those so that I could follow easily.
Very well, madam.
Yeah.
Yeah.
One of the things that I noticed is that there were some items which were indicated as annexures, but which I have not seen. Petitioner?
Yeah, there were video footages and some materials which were found online. They are in a separate flash disk. Perhaps those are the ones that were to be put in a separate flash disk, which was done. But then we were informed that we need to print out a list of now those item by item. Yeah, there were about 17, which has already been done, then put in an envelope and delivered to court.
Yes.
That one, maybe in the next couple of minutes, they will be here because we retrieve the flash disk so that then we can amend that.
So what you are saying is that physical annexures, that is flash disk.
Yeah, it's a flash disk.
Just one flash disk?
Just one.
So it has to be available to the court and then copies of that flash disk given to the parties?
Yes, we've already supplied the flash disk, given the court, but then we were requested for good order. We retrieve it.
For the first, second, and third, you give us until Wednesday.
To file a full response upon being served with all the missing documents and annexures. And equally to serve, and equally we shall seek leave to file witness affidavits as may be necessary once we have been fully facilitated with the complete set of documents.
So what I understand is that what you are working on is not actually the petition.
It is the petition, but partially because now there is information that we do not have, which has not been made available to us,
That is the
which
missing.
may alter the trajectory of the response once it comes.
That is the annexures on page 30
Yes.
and the video clips.
Yes, the video clips.
But you have the petition itself.
Yes, the petition saved for the page that is missing, the page number 30.
Mr. Wamuthende,
Yeah.
you have not served the petition?
My lord, we did. We served soft copies first. Then all of them have hard copies. Mr. Mongela's hard copies are actually here. Mr. Kashufa was served, he works at Harambe House, 4th floor. My person went all the way and served hard copies. Mr. Kashufa, you can confirm that. Yeah, he was served. And there were 3 bundles, 3 very big bundles. In fact, one of them is a voters register, which council has confirmed and they have it. What Mr. Kamoto has suggested is that annexures 9 to 28 are missing. But then again, he says those are the video clips. Actually, they are not the video clips. Annexures 9 to 28 are documents. The video clips are elsewhere. So, if it is a flash disk which was applied, I still have another one, even here, which I can still copy for him. So that by the time we
What
leave...
he said,
Yes.
as I understood it, he said some annexures are missing, that is numbers 9 to 28. Annexures 9 to 28 are missing, and also page 30 of the petition, plus the video clips were not annexed.
My lord, I can see supply, but the bundle itself, this one, has those documents. I can see supply, but they are there. They actually annexed just one affidavit, the supporting affidavit. I was still willing to supply it, nonetheless, even today. I'll just make copies of that.
Yeah, Mr. Kamado, just, you know, there's 2 of you acting, and I think you came at different times. Might there be a confusion between the 2 law firms?
No, there's no confusion because the document is here.